Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. Sunday morning, 12 a.m., 12:48 a.m. All right, so this is the gold chart I made on August 18th, right? It's a daily chart, and this was my Elliott wave count. This is wave three, this is wave four triangle, ended up here, and then we were going started to go up for wave five, and out of that we had wave one and two finished, and I said we're gonna go up for wave three and then four and five. So just remember that these are Roman counts, the blue count, right? So the same time I made the chart, well, this what happened to this chart? Let's take a look at this. Is what happened, right? So it went up all the way straight, big time, right? So this is I say, okay, maybe somewhere here, wave three is going to finish, and we're gonna probably drop a wave four of this count, one, two, three, and then four. So I made another chart which were looking like this, right, on the 16th. That maybe if this wave three is finished, we're gonna drop for wave four, and then we will go for wave five, Roman count, right? That will end this wave five, the blue count, and then wave three of black count will be ended there. But that's later on. But right now, we're supposed to be coming down here from 16th September for wave four. Wave four can be like A, B, C flat, or A, B, C, D, E triangle, or a combination, right? So far, what happened to this chart? Let's take a look at the 4-hour gold chart. Is this okay? So it ended exactly where I said it will be. Excuse me, and then it dropped, and then it went up, and then we ended up the week like this, right? Is it wave four finished? No. Wave four either equal or bigger than should be equal or bigger than wave two. So this is wave one, this is wave two, three, and then this could be like A, B, and then C will come down here, or A, B, C, D, E triangle, something like that, right? So far, I think that this is A and then this is B if we get stopped here. If we go to the upside, then we will see that what kind of count is this and then what is really happening. But it looks like that, I'm on track right now, and my count is good, and it's probably going to drop for some kind of leg for wave four. Wave four is not finished just yet. So I made this chart, thousand. Let me see which one I made the chart. Oh, here. This is the chart. So now you can see that this chart is wave three ended here, and then it dropped here. This could be wave one ray, and then A, B, C going back to, more than 61%, and then less than 78 right now. But if you pull the fib as from here to here as well, then you look and see that here you are already at a 127 extension, which is a very good turning point. But 78% and the 4-hour high, the last 4-hour high, which was like this small candle here. What the heck happened there? This one. So this is the high, and this is where we are now, right? So this is 36.89, and at 78% coming up, and we are already at 127. So somewhere here, we might be able to make the turn, right? But now there was somebody saying that, I'm not showing that exactly where it is going to make the turn, right? That's the thing that to understand, right? Let me explain it today in this video, and then just pay attention, and then uh, look closely, and you understand it very easily. Okay, so now we know that there is no guarantee of a turn or any move in this business, right? Either it is gold or some other commodity or metal or anything else, or Bitcoin or Forex pair, whatever, right? Until the turn is made, we don't know that it's going to make. We can speculate based on the calculation and harmonic levels and SNR support and the trend line and all of that, right? SNR levels, right? So we can say that, yeah, okay, this may be, is the resistance, and then the price may drop, or this could be a support, and then price hit that and then bounce, or blah, blah, blah. No guarantee for that to happen. So what this is why I have it written here that after having a reversal candle on 1,000 box size, which is this chart here, right? Wait for a 150 BS chart entry. BS means box size. Don't take it, something else. All right, so box size or brick size, whatever. So let me show you very easily that you can understand that how I am taking these trades. So for example, on 19, let's say, the Friday, what happened? I have this trade here, this entry. You can see that this expert advisor took it, this EA, right? Arrow is there, right? So what happened is that after a certain thing, or certain, let's say, heads up, I place my EA on the chart in that direction. So the heads up came, the alarm came that, okay, we might be getting a long entry, right? After the price move here, right there, I had an alarm saying that we might be able to get a long entry. So right now, is there's an entry? No. So all I had to do is that place this a box size there. I mean, I'm too sleepy right now, so weird things coming out of my mouth, right? Not box size, the EA, the expert advisor, right? So, and then I go to sleep or whatever, and then if the setup is there, entry is there, and it's gonna work out, then the EA will open the trade for me automatically. And when I come back and I see this, that's it, right? So if I go to sleep, I wake up, I see this, and I close the trade if I do, my calculation and it has reached the daily range. But then, what is that alarm? That alarm comes from here. Look, I'll show you that this, for example, let's say, let me see. When was the entry, for example, look at the time here in the bottom, right? It's September 19, let's say 5:40. So let's say after 5 o'clock, right? After 5 o'clock, we need, for example, if the price is here, this is 5 o'clock, this is 5 o'clock, right? So after 5 o'clock, I need the entry, long entry. Why I say 5 o'clock? Let me show you. So this is the chart here, right? What it says that after having a reversal candle on 1,000 box size, right? So let's say that September 19, this is 7 o'clock, and this is where is the 5 o'clock? So let's see, we can see 19, 19, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, this is 5, this is right there, 450, right? So you see, let me open up a little bit. Okay, now you see that it started to go up, right? So forget about that. I'm just going to show you the trade that I took. Maybe I took this one, but I don't have the chart to show. But see, this reversal candle is like this right there. When I say reversal candle, after having a reversal, let me open up a little bit more so that you guys see very clearly what kind of a candle that I'm talking about. So you see that this is the blue candles, they have a big body here, but all of a sudden this candle here, the very small body and the low is lower than the previous low, right? This is a reversal candle, the bearish reversal candle. After on a bullish move, when you have that, that's a bearish reversal. And then similarly, I had this red candle, and look what happened. This is a bullish reversal candle. So we have a very small body, and then the high is the higher than the previous high. See that? So this is a reversal candle. Now, this reversal candle start when this end, right? So basically, the starting point comes in the bottom here. So what was the ending point of this candle was the starting point of this candle, which is in the bottom, you can see it's 1990, 450. So basically, after 450, I needed a long entry, right? So I placed the EA there saying that, okay, if only long entry, if it drops again and give a short entry, I don't want it, right? Because after the reversal candle, it will make the reversal candle. And after that, I will look into the short side. Otherwise, no. So the long entry, I'm supposed to have it after 450 on 19. And look at this trade here. You can see that it was around 549. Right. So 1 hour later, I had this entry, beautiful entry. And by that time, when 450 ended, somewhere here. So this is where my alarm beep that, okay, reversal candle, a bullish reversal candle is in place. So, and then by the way, the alarm for that is different. Let me show you here. Where the heck is that? Oh, I removed it. Let me show you here. The alarm for that, the alarm EA that gives me the alarm is this. Okay, so when I place this and then I make this uh, oh, no. This is, yeah, okay. So this is just the alarm that if I have a reversal candle, it will be. So when I see the reversal candle and it's a bullish one, it says, okay, no problem. And um, after that, on the smaller time frame, I place my E, right? So, what was that? Okay. So this is the entry here. It came after that. After 1 hour, I have an entry, and then it went up. Similarly, down the road, and then it retraces again, right? And then let's see, and here let's see what happened here. So it went up there, but then it dropped here again, right? Then it started to go up again. So let's see, this one here, right here, right? And it is 1050. Again, a bullish candle, right? But not this one. Let me see my trade. Let me see. It's a lot of other candle that I don't want to. Okay, here. See, we were bearish here, and this one, this entry came. What is the time here? It's September 19, 1635. So let's say I would say 1630, or let's say 1600, right? So September 19 after 1600, 1600 hour. What happened? So let's go take a look. Which candle? See, this is a reversal candle, and we can drop, and then this is a reversal candle, and this, right? So this is a signal that we might be going to the upside, and that is what happened. What time? It's September 19th, 1625. 1625, this reversal candle, the bullish reversal candle was done, and alarm start beeping. 1625. So you see 1625, and this entry came 1635, only 10 minutes after. 1625 was somewhere here. So somewhere here, that bullish reversal candle alarm beep. I look at the chart. I place the EA immediately, long only. And if the entry is there, and that's it, it's going to take it. So this entry, the EA took it, the arrow is a small arrow telling you that the EA took the entry. And this EA is different than the other CTS7. Similar, but the settings are different. So that's why I have it named like Sam Oil and Gold. Right. So here I have it set for gold only. I'm not trading oil anymore. So the hell with it. Maybe now, because whatever is happening in the geopolitical world, maybe oil is gonna get expensive and they start flying again, right? So let's see. But yeah, so you see that this is both entries are right after the alarm beep on my other chart, the bigger chart, right? 1000 BS chart. And that's how all my gold trades are, basically. Then you see the big trades. This is 280 pip. And by the way, there was another one that I took without the setup. Let me show you where the heck is that. See this one? so, so this one was based on that 44-hour chart that I made earlier, that it's gonna drop, right? Let me see. That was a chart. Um, Wait, there should be another chart, man. What's up? Where did it go? Oh, sorry. This is the one. This is the one. No, yeah. So I made the chart that is gonna drop, right? So on over there, every time it made the reversal candle without the setup, I took the entry. To be honest with you, so that's how I got this one. So I took, I made the entry here after this reversal candle, but that got knocked out here. Because I came and sit on a break even. Then again, this entry, then again, same thing happened. Right? I got knocked out at break even, but I was pretty sure that it was wave 3 ended here. So I was going again short here, and then right there is my short. My initial SL was there, and then when it dropped, I moved the SL there, and here, 454, right? This is a big chart. It's like a 4-hour chart. So that's why it's from 36.91 to almost 36.45. It came down, right? So this is how I got this one. But usually my thing is that, with the setup, this is how it is, usually. That's just an exceptional. Once in a while I do that nonsense. But yeah. So now you can see that it went all the way here and very close to the 78% already, bypasses the 61 already, and 78% is about to come, but it is already at 127. So you understand now what the game is. The game is that if I have a reversal candle on this chart, then I go immediately on my other chart. For example, let's say this one. Let me show you another example. For example, at the top, no, take this top here, right? This reversal candle ended up at 9:18, 1600 hour. 9:18, 1600 hour. So let's go take a look here. 9:18, 1600 hour. So 9:18 and 1600 hour. What the heck is that? 1600 hour, right? 9:18. Yeah, right there. Don't you see the entries? How many entries we have? This was actually the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. All of these were entry, and then boom, boom, it came down big time, right? So that's happened. So simple as that. After this reversal candle, this happened. Go into the upside. If you look at this one here, this reversal candle alarm beep at 9:18, September 18, 10:15. Let's go take a look at 10:15 then, going to the upside. 10:15, 10:15, 10:15, 10, 10, and 10:15 right there. So this was the entry. This was the entry. This should have taken, and then boom, gone. So look at that big trade. How many pips, by the way? If you this entry here from this one, 36.46, and you can easily go to 36.70 from 45 to 70. I got it. So this is how the combination of this. That's why I wrote down here all the time. What the heck? Yeah, man. Okay. See this written here. After having a reversal candle on 1,000 box size, wait for a 150 BS chart entry and then let the alarm take it. Simple as that. And similarly, I do that all the time with, let's say, let me show you something here quickly while I'm here. There's another trade, let's say pound yen, for example. Let's take this one, right? So this is the trade, the short trade, and it is what time is it in the bottom? September 19, when as soon as the market open up, 0038, right? So when Asian session open at 5 p.m. Eastern time, there was already an entry, and if not, then this was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry, right? But my EA took this one. So what was the time? Uh, at the end of September 18 and the beginning of September 19, right? So let's go take a look at the 40-minute chart of pound yen, 40-minute chart. So this over here, this is September 18, and what was the time, man? I forgot. Let's say here. Okay. So let's say around 2300 on 18 or the beginning of 19, right? So September 19, what am I doing? Okay, here. So you see September, this is 18, this is 19, right? So here, this was 9:18, 1400 hour. 9:18, 1400 hour. And after that, I had to look for short. So after that, you can see clearly 1400 hour, and it was long here, and then 1400 hour was, this is 1700 hour, and then after that there was no entry until here or here, right? And that was 2300 hour. So several hours later, the entry came. right? So you know that the session is starting or the ending is, that time is the slowest time. So it doesn't move, nothing moves, right? And after that, what happened is 3 hours later, you have Asian session open up, right? So after that, this move happened, right? So nice and clean. You see this? This is when the session opened up at 5 o'clock exactly, basically on the 19th. And this is how. So it's also written here. Somehow it got messed up here, but no, it's a trading trade, right? So let me see. 4 hour chart. This one, where is that thing? I have. Oh, here. You see this? I have it all every single chart I have written. Man, come on, man, disappearing on me. You see that? Here. After having a reversal candle on a 40-minute chart, then take the entry from 7. And that's exactly what it is. After that, I have the entry from 7-minute chart. So this is the mumbo jumbo that, need to understand, to be honest with you. I mean, it's not that, 2 plus 2, 4, right? You need to learn. Once you learn, that's then, it's just a piece of cake. But this is something that need to learn. One need to learn, right? Otherwise, you're not gonna understand it. So, this is why I have that, thing. It's like one-on-one on my website, right? So, if you really want to learn, for Forex pair, very easy between 40 and 7, 40-minute reversal. And see now, for example, what do you think of what's gonna happen here now? What do you think after this big move? A kid can tell you exactly, right? So you see this from here to here. It came down here. All you have to do, wait for reversal candle. Now, the other, you see, the other person that was asking question that tell us that exact turn, a place of turning. We don't need to know that. We don't need to know that the exact. It may turn from here. It may drop as long as it's keep posting red. I'm not even thinking about going any into trade. Short is completely out of question, right? And long, I can only go into a long trade of this pound yen after having a reversal candle and then 7-minute long entry on the 7-minute chart. That is the entry I'm going to take it. Now, see here, there was a reversal candle here, but it just simply dropped after that. It never went above or to the upside to be able for me to be able to get the 7-minute chart entry. There was no 7-minute chart entry available. And it just simply dropped. So I said, what the hell with it? Unless I get the 7-minute entry after reversal candle. Reversal candle is just a heads up. All right. So when the alarm beep here, see this 40-minute reversal without high low, right? Without high low means that, regardless of this high low, anytime it makes the reversal candle, I need to know. And then I decide that, after that, I'll see. Now, this one is the middle of nowhere, so I disregard that. Either extension level from here to here, this one was, see this extension level? Let me show you. Extension levels are what? 127, 161, right? Let's take a look. See that? It touches 127 and posts the reversal candle. That's where I need. Long here, beautiful long. Why? Let me show you. Retracement levels are 61 to 78 or in between somewhere, right? Look at that. Touching the 61% and posting a reversal candle. After these are the areas. You have a beautiful long here and you have a beautiful short here. Long, it was probably previous day or whatever, but I just showed you the short one from the top to bottom. Similarly, all of that. Yeah, let me see. I made this chart, Euro USD. When it was here, I said it's gonna drop, and it dropped, and I had a short, right? And which is still running, I guess. Then now I made the chart that if it bounced from here, if it dropped, what the hell with it? I don't care, right? But eventually it's gonna bounce. Every time it drop, it goes up, drop goes up, drop goes up, right? Even to retracement, if not higher high, but maybe up, 61% of this move. But going short here is completely out of the question. Out of question, completely. No, 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 right? You don't go short at the end of the down move or long like everybody says that don't buy, the highs or don't sell the lows, right? So right now, after a big move, only thing that you can take is a long one, even if it's 20, 30 pip, doesn't matter. I need 20, 30 pip just to sit on a break even. Then I, do my calculation. This pair has daily range of 82. Previous day, Friday, it did 98. No, Thursday it did 98. Friday it did 64. So it doesn't move much, but yeah, so you have to hold like a couple of days. Let me see if I still have it open here. I'll probably, and I'll show you guys that entry, Euro USD. Yes, it's still short here, and I have so far 75 plus pip. But it's not a 1 day. It's probably 2 day because you can see the daily range is very small. So you gotta hold these things, maybe day or 2 or 3. Similarly, pound USD, see that? Beautiful extension, well extended area. And I says, well, if we're gonna drop, and then I'll go short, and I did, and boom. And now I'm expecting that somewhere here is going to post a reversal candle. I will hear the alarm. I will get ready on the 7 minute chart, place my EA, and walk away. The EA will do the job. If the entry is wrong, I lose 15 pip. That's it. 7 minute chart, stop is 15 pip. If it goes the distance, you know how much my trades are. All right. So this is the name of the game. 40 minute chart to 7, and gold is beautifully working between 1,000 and 150. So if you want to learn, go sign up for one-on-one. I give you 50% off and do it because I have some just close, finish the one-on-one. So I have opening. I even send, I think Omar sent out the email as well, but it is not on my website, by the way. All right. It is only for my, the subscription, the Telegram list, or the email list people, right? Uh, Only for that. So I don't want to, get too many people because if I put it on the website, then, I'm the only one that I can't handle more. All right. So this is it for now. And hopefully, tomorrow's, today actually, the Sunday started. So in the evening time, the market will open. I have this pound USD going to the long side, Euro USD going to the long side, Euro Aussie coming to the downside. You see that? All the beautiful trades. I mean, this one, I had a beautiful long here. Pound USD, I had two long from here, one from here and one from here. Then I let it go, and now either it's gonna go up, or either this one is gonna be good, or this one is gonna. I don't know which one, right? But it looks like that this will probably gonna drop, right? So it is 78%. After that, it usually goes back to 38 or 23. So let's see what happens, right? So several other pairs I have to see. I said this one is gonna come down, but it came down, but FOMC boom took it to the upside. And Euro yen also, I had that is gonna come down here, and it did almost, and then it went up. But I think it's gonna drop more to the downside. And it was also here. You see this 127 extension. Remember those 127, 161 extension reversal. Go 7 minutes short. This one, 61% or 78% retracement and a turn. Go from there. You see that? Exactly 61% touch and boom, boom for extension. So this is happen all the time. This is all happen. Actually, this is the only thing that happen all the time in this market. Anyway, so I'm gonna close it now. This is a long video now, right? But I just wanted to explain that, some people were like confused that, it is not clear. It is very clear. It's just a matter of learning. That's it. Sign up and I'll teach and make you master of this stupid thing. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Get my videos with the setups. See, I just showed up. I showed you guys how many setups, 4 or 5, that I have made the charts. I'm gonna post these charts on the Telegram for my subscribers. So this video, I'll make it public. Whoever can understand, take benefit out of it. But if you need to learn, these all Renko candles and how the Fibonacci calculation and the target and then daily range, mumbo jumbo, and this candle. 40 minutes, 7 minute, and then 1,000 to 150 box size. These are Renko. These are uni Renko candles, not the simple Renko candles, by the way. They are different. Okay. All right, so my throat is not working with me, it's giving up. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Man.